Hello and welcome back to another video of Flectra. So today we are going to discuss about how we can build our home page or how we can build our website using the website builder and Flectra. So for that, what we need to do is just go to the edit section. So as soon as this we click on edit, we have different blocks available over here. So using that we can build our website. So there are, if you can see, there's the blocks. Okay, so first that will be the banner. So if you just upload the banner over here, what we need to do, we just need to drag and drop the snippet of banner over here. So we just need to drag and drop it over here, so the banner will be uploaded. Now after that, if we just want to edit any of the text or section over here, we just need to select it, and we have different options. Like if we just want to change the color, we can change the color easily from here. If we just want to change the size of the text, if we just want to make it bold, like underline, you easily change it from here. We can also align the text, and if we just want to put any of the link to the specific text, so we can easily put the link from here. Also we have that type of the link, and we have that functionality that if we just open the link into the new window, and also there is the button. So if you just want to edit the button, what we need to do, we just need to double click on that button, and over there we can put a link or URL over here. We can change the size, whether it's small, medium, large. Also we can change the, as in default rounded, we can change the style of the button. So that is how we can easily edit the text, or we just need to make it the box size. We just want to make it, we can easily do it from here. So that is the block. Now if we are just willing to replace the image, we can easily just need to select, and from here we can replace the media. We can upload the image from here. So this is the banner block. Now after that, I'll just upload another one that's just a cover. So just upload, drag and drop the cover over here. So this is the cover. Same way we can edit the text from here. You can change the size of the block, and also we can move the top. We can easily just need to click on this button, so that will be this widget will be on the top of the website. So we can easily manage this one. Now after that, if we just need to change the theme color, then in the options panel we have the different themes built over here. That's just the color. So for example, right now it's selected this one. Now if I just want to change this one, then we just need to select that one, and that will be changed. Okay, so we can easily manage the theme colors from here, and there are the different options of theme, whether we just want to show the header, page layout. We can make all of the changes in the buttons and inputs. Now let's move to the blocks again, and let's put another widget that is the text image. I'll just put it over here. So this is the text image. Same way we can edit the text. If we just move down this text over here, so we can easily move over here from right to left or left to right, and also we can make the changes in the text. Now if we just need to make an image upload, we just need to double click over here. We can upload an image. Also, if you are having any document want to upload, you can also upload a document. We have different option of pictogram. So if you can go with any of the pictogram that you just wish to upload. And also you can upload the video. You just need to copy paste your URL and your video will be uploaded. So we have 4 media options, that is image, document, pictogram and video. Now after that, if we are just willing to add the product section, so we have that dynamic content also. So for that, they are the dynamic products. So same way, we just need to drag and drop the widget. So this is the product section. So we have added the product widget over here. Currently we are having the 2 products, so that's showing over here. And now same way, if you just want to make any changes over here, we can make it changes in the layouts. You can adjust the height and the background color too. Now after that, if we just want to upload any kind of pop-up, that will be promotional pop-up. So for that we are having the in dynamic content, that is the widget of pop-up. So we'll just upload that pop-up, and over here we can edit the text and we can set the delay timing, how much delay, that is the 5 seconds as of now. And also we can show in this page or in all pages, and we can replace the image also. Now after adding all this one, we'll just need to save this one. So once we just save it, we have the ready website with our design. As we can see, this is the pop-up that we have set. Now after that, if we are just willing to add a new page, so for that, here is the option of new. So we just need to click on new, and there is the option of page. Now here we can give the title of the page. So for example, I just want to add an about us page, so I'll give a title of about us. And whether we want to show up in menu section or not, we can enable or disable according to that, and then we'll just click on continue. So these are about us page. Now the same way that we have designed the home page, the same way we can design the about us page. Let me load any of the widget. Change the title about us. The same way we can the image. Now we just need to save this one. So this is our about us page. If you just go to the home page, you'll find the design templates that we have uploaded. So this is how we can easily design our website, whether it's a home page or any other page, using the Flectra.